A Sharpie cap makes a great tool to disconnect your transmission cooling line from your radiator. Most of Jeep Cherokees will have these little tabs on the 3/8 connector to the radiator. A tool is usually used that you have to purchase from the auto shop, but a Sharpie pen cap is an exact fit. It's hard to do this with one hand, but you get the gist. Put it over and slide it down, push it down, and then the hose will pull right off. Now, a lot of people on the boob tube are telling you to burn those tabs off to get the disconnection, but don't do that. You'll just ruin it, and you'll have to jerry rig something to put your new radiator on. Good luck.